Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Fatima. I am 8 years old. Today I'm going to tell you about birds. Okay, the first bird is my favorite, a parrot. Parrots are very colorful and they are very trained, means they can talk. Wow. Wow. Do you know how Allah made this? Don't you know? Yeah, no one knows how they can talk because they're very trained. MashaAllah. Look at all the beautiful parrots. Okay, our second bird is a pigeon. Pigeons are always gray and their necks are always green. Okay, so I'm talking about the pigeon of this pigeon who are gray, not these ones because these two are special. So, mashallah, what a beautiful, but it's also colorful. Crows are always black and his beak is bigger than the other birds. Okay, now we're going to see another bird, sparrows. Sparrows are always little and they are always brown and they are also cute. Aw, look at the baby sparrows. They're so cute. Not all birds can fly. Like a penguin, it can't fly. Some days in the water, some days in the ground. Okay, look. They actually, so the penguins stay at a cold place, like a North Pole, South Pole, anywhere where it's cold. I like the baby penguins. Flamingo is a bird that can't fly. I think it's beautiful because it's pink. MashaAllah, what a beautiful creation. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe and bye.